Hi everyone, welcome to VISKOU. Today I want to introduce about our PanoVu series network camera. The model is DS-2CD6D24FWD-IZS. Okay, and this is a unboxing device. So this is user manual and the CD itself. And this one is a waterproof tag. This is all the accessories, the screw, the Allen key, the connector itself. And this is a bracket to cover the camera. This is a camera. So the outlook is like this. I take out the cover. You can see here, okay, we got 4 lens. And each lens is a 2 mega and varifocal lens. The varifocal can be up to 2.8 mm to 12 mm. And this one can be adjusted, every lens can be adjusted manually. Here, you can take out, and this is a hard reset button. And this one is a pickup mode, can be support up to 128 dB. I will turn to the back and then you'll see the connection. Here, got a few connections. Actually, the first two is a mic in and mic out. And this one is a RG45 Connector. And for this one is a 12 volt DC. And this one is a alarm output, alarm input. These two. So this device can support 2 input and 2 output of the alarm. So this quality is also quite good. Yeah, so this is all the unboxing. Later part, I will show about the live view of the CCTV.
Hello everyone, this is a DS-2CD6D24FWD-IZS, and this is a IE configuration here. This is a infrared light setting. You can enable the IR light by selecting these numbers. And this one, you also can want to control every single lens of the camera. And the VCR resource, the camera is support 2 channel for the smart event, so you can enable 1 to 3 or 2 to 4 the camera lens. And then this one is a video and audio setting. Yeah, because this one also support the built-in mic, you also can enable it. And this is the resolution for 2 mega each lens. So totally have 4 lens here. And this is a basic image setting. And as you can see here, the smart event, if let's say I select one, and it only can select 1 to 3, because just now I already set camera 1 and camera 2 can be do the smart event. So now we go to the live view. Play it. Change to the mainstream. Just now when I unboxing, I already said this one is a varifocal lens for each channel. So I have demo it. Zoom in, and it's autofocus. And let's say this one is channel 2, channel 3, channel 4. Yeah, this is a autofocus also. Yeah, so that's all for the introduction of the configuration here.